Hello and welcome viewers. In today's video we will see the official specifications of Apple smartwatch Apple Watch Edition Series 6. So at the beginning I want to say please subscribe to my channel to know the updated specifications of new mobile phones. So let's see what is in official specification of the watch. The watch has network mode GSM, HSPA, LTE, and the watch has memory space of 32GB with 1GB of RAM. The watch is coming to the market with two colors, and the two colors are titanium and space black. Display has Retina LTPO OLED 1000 nits. Display size is 1.78 inches, 60% screen to body ratio. The body dimension of the watch is 1.73 into 1.50 into 0.41 inches. The watch will weight 41.3 grams. The watch has OS 7.0 operating system and chipset with Apple S6. The CPU is getting dual core. Here you get the sensor are accelerometer, gyro, heart rate second generation, barometer, Axon, altimeter, compass, SPO2, VO2 max. The watch battery lithium-ion 303.8 mAh non-removable. You get an eSIM in the watch. There is a loudspeaker for sound but no 3.5mm jack for audio output. So friends, this is the official specifications of today's Apple Watch Edition Series 6 model. For those who want a good watch from Apple, you can take it without any hesitation. It will launch in market very soon. I will definitely come up with the unboxing of the set. Then stay healthy, stay well. Goodbye.